Why I still use eToro in 2025, even after starting with zero experience. When I first tried investing online, I had no experience at all. I was confused, and I actually thought about closing my eToro account after just a few days. But something made me stick with it. And now, it's the only platform I use. What I like most about eToro is how clean and simple it feels, even with all its features. You can invest in stocks, commodities, indices, ETFs. And now, over 100 cryptocurrencies, that's more than most exchanges. I also like that you can follow other investors, read their ideas, even detailed technical analysis. It's like a social network, but focused on investing. Sure, not everything is perfect, the crypto spreads are a bit high. But the ease of use and the variety of assets make it worth it for me. And when I want to withdraw, I can use PayPal, credit card, or bank transfer. No stress. If you're just starting and looking for a platform that won't overwhelm you, eToro might be a good choice. I'll leave the link below if you want to try it out.